Standard 12th Business Mathematics exercise 5.2 11th question. Using interpolation, estimate the business done in 1985 from the following data. Your years are given: 1982, 1983, 1984, 1986. Business done in lakhs: 150, 235, 365, 525. So first check your intervals, whether it is in the same interval or the difference between the interval is changing. Here 82, 83, so difference is 1. 83, 84, difference is 1, and 84, 86, so difference is 2. So whenever the difference is changing, you have to go to your Lagrange's formula. Okay, don't go to your Newton's backward or forward formula. Only Newton's backward and forward formula is used. Only the intervals are same, that is h should be same, then you can use that formula. Otherwise you will have to go to your Lagrange's formula. So first check your difference between an interval, otherwise h. Okay, so here the intervals are unequal using Lagrange's formula interpolation formula. So first you will have to write your x0, x1, x2, x3. Okay, so x0 is 1982, that is your first value. Next x1 is 1983. Next x2 is 1984. x3 is 1986. Same way this is y0. So y0 is 150. y1 is 235. y2 is 365. y3 is 525. And they have asked you for 1985, so we'll just write x is equal to 1985. So that's what we'll have to find it first. Lagrange's formula is y is equal to f of x, that is equal to x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 into y0, then plus x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 into y1 plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x3 divided by x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 into y2 plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2 divided by x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2 into y3. So this is your Lagrange's formula. So if you know your formula, the sum is very easy, just substitution only. Okay, so how to write your formula is, first step is x0 you will have. So don't write your x0 in the numerator, but in the denominator everywhere you will have to start with your x0. So here starting with x, so x minus x1, x minus x2. So if you start with your x, everywhere it will be x only. So x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, whichever you left it in the numerator, that is x0, we left it in the numerator. So down you have to start with the x0. Okay, so x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3, and your first value is y0, this value, then plus, again starting with your x only. Okay, but what you'll have to leave it here. So first step x0 we left it here, x1 you'll have to leave it. So x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3. So whichever term you left it in the numerator, that has to come here to the denominator. So x1 minus this x0, then x1 minus this x2, then x1 minus this x3. So whatever it is there in the minus in the numerator, the same thing you will have it in the denominator. Okay, same way here, starting with your x. So here x2 you will have to leave it in the numerator. So x0 will be there, x1 will be there, x3 will be there. So whatever x2 you left it in the numerator, start here with the x2. Okay, so x2 minus this x0, x2 minus x1, again x2 minus x3 into y1 we have finished. So here it is y2 plus, again starting with x. So here x3 you will have to leave it in the numerator. So x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2. So whichever x3 you left it in the numerator, it will come to the denominator. So x3 minus this x0, again x3 minus this x1, x3 minus this x2 into your y3. So this is your Lagrange formula. Don't by heart your formula, just see how to write it, and according to that you can write it. Okay. So once if your formula is correct, just go for your substitution, then you get your answer. That's your Lagrange equal to x minus x1. So x is 1985. You can see the values I just written it here. So 1985 minus x1 is 1983. Next is same 1985 minus x2 is 1984. Then same x is 1985 minus x3 is 1986 divided by, you have to start with the x0. Okay, so it is 1982 minus x1 is 1983. Don't go and search over there, you can see here itself and write it. Okay, only 1982 will be changing. So 1982 minus this 1984. Again next is 1982 minus this 1986. If you write your numerator correctly, then the denominator will be correct. Okay, into your y0. Y0 is nothing but your 150. Then plus, now you'll have to start with your x. 1985 minus x0 is 1982. Again same 1985 minus x2 is 1984. Then same 1985 minus x3 is 1986 divided by, now you will have to start with the x1. So x1 is 1983 minus, just see here itself and write it, 1982. And 1983 again minus this 1984. Again 1983 minus 1986 into your y1. Y1 is 235. The third step is plus third term. Okay, so x minus x0. X is 1985 minus x0 is 1982. Whenever you are writing a numerator, check your values and write it. Okay, then again 1985 minus x1 is 1983. Again 1985 minus this x3 is 1986. Once the numerator is over, just go to your denominator. Your denominator is x2 here. So x2, so x2 is nothing but your 1984. So 1984 minus, see this value and write as it is, 1982. Then again 1984 minus this 1983, because both numerator and denominator will be same only, minus part is same. Okay, then here again 1984 minus 1986. then into y2, so y2 is 365 plus your fourth term x minus x naught, so x is 1985 minus x naught is 1982. Next is x minus x1, so 1985 minus x1 is 1983. Then x minus x2, so 1985 minus x2 is 1984 divided by your denominator only x3. Okay, so x3 is 1986 minus this value 1982. Then again 1986 minus this value 1983. Then again 1986 minus same 1984 into your y3. y3 is 525. Solving, so 85 minus 83 will be 2. Then 85 minus 84 is 1. Only the last two digits are changing. Okay, don't consider 19, 19 and 19, everywhere it is same. So 85 minus 86 is minus 1 divided by 82 minus 83 will be minus 1. 82 minus 84 will be minus 2. Again 82 minus 86 will be minus 4 into this 150 will be there, plus 85 minus 82 is 3. 85 minus 84 is 1. 85 minus 86 is minus 1 divided by 83 minus 82 is 1. 83 minus 84 is minus 1. 83 minus 86 is minus 3 into your 235 plus 85 minus 82 is 3. 85 minus 83 is 2. 85 minus 86 is minus 1 divided by 84 minus 82 is 2. 84 minus 83 is 1. 84 minus 86 is minus 2 into 365. So just given one bracket extra, this will be okay. Next, plus 85 minus 82 is 3. 85 minus 83 is 2. 85 minus 84 is 1 divided by 86 minus 82 is 4. 86 minus 83 is 3. 86 minus 84 is 2 into 525, which is equal to, can cancel this 2 and this 2, so you'll get minus 1 here. Whichever you can cancel it, just cancel as 3 and 3, you'll get minus 1 again here. And here this 2 and 2 you can cancel it. 3 and 3 you can cancel. 2 and 4 you can cancel, you will get your 2. So now just go for your multiplication. Check your symbol before that. Here minus in the numerator. Denominator also again minus. So minus into minus will become plus only. So left out terms are 150 and this 4 is there. So you can write it as, so 150 by 4 will be there for your first term. Your second term is, again check your symbol, minus in the numerator, plus in the denominator. Minus into plus is minus. Nothing is there, only 235. So 235. Then here only minus and minus is there. So minus into minus will become plus. So the left out terms are 365 divided by 2. So 3 into 365 divided by 2. And here plus only everywhere, it is plus 525 in the numerator divided by 2 2's are there, so 4 you will get. So which is equal to 150 divided by 4, you will get it as 37.5 minus this 235 as it is, plus 3 into 365 divided by 2, you will get it as 547, that is 547.5 plus 525 divided by 4 is 131.25. So which is equal to, adding all these addition plus terms, so you'll get it as 716.25 minus only one negative term is 235. So subtracting, you'll get your answer 481.25. So this is the answer for your 11th question.